Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Instagram post limit and upload up to 20 photos in a single post. If you're stuck at 10, don't worry. This guide will help you fix it step by step. So first, open the App Store. Search for Instagram and make sure the app is fully updated. Now, if Instagram is up to date but you're still stuck with the 10 photo limit, it could be a bug or glitch. To fix that, go to your Settings app, scroll down and tap on General, then go into iPhone storage. From here, scroll through the list and find Instagram. Tap on it and you'll see an option that says Offload App. Go ahead and tap that. This removes temporary data that might be causing problems but keeps your documents and login saved. Once the app is offloaded, just tap Reinstall App and wait for it to finish. And that's it. After these steps, updating Instagram, clearing cache, or offloading the app, and force restarting your phone, you should now be able to upload up to 20 photos or videos in a single Instagram post. If this helped you out, be sure to give the video a like, subscribe for more tech fixes, and leave a comment if you have any other issues. See you in the next one.